Hi, I'm Patel Bhumit from SY I'm presenting on Wholesale Price Index and Consumer Price Index. Wholesale Price Index. Inflation refers to a situation wherein money incomes of the community continuously increase because of the increase in the money supply. Inflation or inflation rate calculated as per the percentage rate of certain price index. The price index widely used for these are Consumer Price Index, adopted by countries like USA, UK, Japan and China, and Wholesale Price Index, adopted by countries such as India. Thus, inflation rate generally is derived from CPI and WPI. Since India uses WPI method for inflation calculation, let's go in detail of WPI based inflation calculation. In this method, a set of 435 commodities and their price changes are used for the calculation. The selected commodities are supposed to represent various strata of the economy and are supposed to give a comprehensive WPI value of the economy. Formula for WPI is given below. WPI equals to price of the commodity in current year minus price of the commodity in preceding year divided by price of the commodity in preceding year into 100. In this way, individual WPI value for the remaining 434 commodities are calculated and then the weighted average of the individual WPI figures are found out to arrive at a overall wholesale price index. Commodities are given weightage depending upon its influence in the economy. WPI is calculated on the base year and WPI for the base year is assumed to be 100. To show the calculation, let us assume the base year to be 2010. The data of the wholesale price of all the 435 commodities in the base year and the time for which WPI is calculated is gathered. Let's calculate WPI for a year 2020 for a particular commodity, say wheat. Assume that the price of the kilogram of wheat in 2010 equals to 20 and in 2020 it's 30. WPI 2020 for wheat equals to price of the wheat in 2020 minus price of the wheat in 2010 divided by price of the wheat in 2010 into 100, which gives 50. Consumer Price Index. The Consumer Price Index is measured of aggregate price level in the economy. The CPI consists of a bundle of commonly purchased goods and service. The CPI measures the changes in the purchasing power of the country's currency and price level of basket of goods and service. Calculation Calculating consumer price index and inflation rate follow four more steps. First, fixing the market basket. Second, calculating the basket cost. Third, computing the index. Fourth, computing the inflation rate. Most CPI index series use 1982 to 84 as the basic of comparison. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics set the index level during the 1982-84 period at 100. An index of 110 means that there been a 10% rise in the price of the market basket compared to the reference period. Similarly, an index of go indicates a 10% decrease in the price of the market basket compared to the reference therefore period. The record around 80,000 items each month by contacting retailers, service establishment, rental space and service provider across the country. Based on the survey, the CPI US calculated using this formula. The CPI equals to cost of the market basket in given year divided by the cost of the market basket in base year into 100. Thank you for watching this video.